In this video, I'm going to show you how to export MP3 in Ableton Live. Now to do this, you want to go to the top left, click on File, and from here you want to click on Export Audio/Video. You could also press Ctrl+Shift+R on your keyboard, and it's going to open up the same window. Now by default over here, you'll see it's going to look like this. You can of course change the options, you can change anything you want, and down here, this is very important, you have the file type. Now if you click on a file type here, only 3 are available, so WAV, AIFF, and FLAC. So of course you can select whichever one you want. I'm gonna go with WAV over here. You can then select your bit depth and options and stuff like that. But down here it says MP3. So it says encode MP3. So if you actually turn this on, so if it's on like this by clicking over here, it's going to export both this file type up here and then of course the MP3 as well. So you're gonna get 2 exports. Now if I go and click on the export button, I can select where I want to save this. I'm gonna go to my downloads folder and it's called untitled.wav. Of course you can change this. I'm going to keep it as it is and I'm going to click on save. Now it's going to save, and let me actually show you my downloads folder right now. You can see 2 things have been downloaded. One is the WAV file and the second one is the MP3 file, okay? And both are the same in length. So that's essentially how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.